Alright, we are here at the Taipei 101, but we're not going up to the top for the view. We're actually going to go to the first floor and try out some cool vending machines. Let's go. Alright, so we're looking for these smart services, and here we are. So check it out. Who loves bento boxes and who loves vending machines? So who would really love a bento box vending machine? So these look like some chicken dishes with some pork. These look like some barbecue chao sao. This is a pork chop. This is a chicken. This looks like pork belly. This also looks like someone's pork chop. And you can scroll to see more. Fish, chicken leg. So there's 8 choices in this vending machine. Here we've got some barbecue pork, kimchi pork, jitui chicken. Beef, and then cha sao and roast pork. All right, so they're all about, looks like 140, so $3 to $5 US. Let's check out this last one here. Looks like almost somewhat healthier also. These are decaf, so low calorie. But yeah, so these are the pictures, and then if you look into the vending machine, you can see the actual bento box choice. So what should I have? Wow, look at these drinks. Sorbet, some tea. Alright, so I'm going to make my choice and then we're going to buy our bento. Alright, so they have people helping you out, so you can actually give them cash and they'll give you a card that you can swipe. So we're going to go for this barbecue combo platter. We're using this iPass. It's lighting up down here, so now we hold it. It's going to be reading. Oh, looks like green light. Oh, here it goes. It's going to our barbecue. Wow, it's warm. What a great little vending machine. Wow, so it looks like it's actually from a local restaurant. Long Key restaurant. So you can see there looks like the chicken, barbecue pork, and some side dishes. There's rice on the bottom. Alright, for our second choice, we're going to go with a pork chop. So this one right here, 110. iPass. It's gonna blink. Oh, here it goes. Looks like it's processing. Okay, green. And it's gonna go down this one. And it's gonna bring it up. Oh, there's no door here. Where's the door? There's the door. There's our bento box. Alright, let's go try these out. Alright, so here they've also got straws and utensils, some sauce, and chopsticks. Gonna need some chopsticks. Ooh, and more chopsticks. Alright, have a eat. Alright, so we brought our bento boxes back to eat. So 101 first floor, didn't visit to go see the top. Instead, we went to those bento box vending machines. Time to open up the boxes. So here is the roast pork chicken combo platter. So as I mentioned, it's already warm. So they must keep it kind of warm inside that vending machine. Pretty cool. Ta-da! Look at that. So what I see is the tassao roast pork. These look like some dried bean curd, some eggplant, feels nice and soft. This is some Taiwan cabbage. And then this looks like chicken. Let me start with some of this chicken. Looks like soy sauce chicken. Wow, really tender, juicy, not dry. That is pretty good. Put a little rice in here. It's only 120. That's like $4 US. So convenient. Wow, that's a pretty good lunch. If they had these in the US, I might be eating out of vending machines all the time. So here's the tassao roast pork. That one's a little dry, and the flavor's probably not as strong as you could have it in a lot of Hong Kong Cantonese dim sum restaurants. But again, for the price and for the convenience, this is a pretty solid deal. Because it's already warm, you don't have to microwave it again. It comes right out of the vending machine, ready to eat. I'm gonna wash that down with, this is sarsaparilla. And then they actually have a version where they include some salt, so it kind of helps your throat a little bit. One of my favorite drinks in Taiwan. So good. Not quite like root beer, but good flavor. Alright, so that is bento box number 1. Let's go with bento box number 2. So this one should be a pork chop. And here we go, let's take a look. Ta-da! So it looks like it's a marinated pork chop, breaded, probably fried a little bit. Inside we've got, there's a Taiwan sausage, we got a stewed egg, we got some dry tofu here, some vegetables, Taiwan cabbage, and this looks almost like a fish cake. Wow, that's a good amount of food, also for about 110. And the rice, again, it's warm, so you can see kind of the steam. Ready to eat. Let me try some of this Taiwan sausage. Yep. Sweet, fatty, delicious. All right, the main course is this pork chop. Look at that, that's actually a pretty big size. You can see it's all included. I'm ready to take a bite. It's a really thin piece of pork, really tender. I like that flavoring a lot. But I like that flavor. That's a really good flavor. A lot of Taiwan bento boxes have pork chop in it. These are really good because they have a fair share of veggies. Sometimes it's pretty hard to get your vegetables. So one thing you might notice about Taiwan is a lot of their veggies are stir-fried and steamed. They don't often have raw salad vegetables, so it's possible, but mostly Western restaurants. But in the Asian style, Taiwan style restaurants, mostly stir-fried with garlic or with other seasonings. And this looks like a fish cake, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Yep, nice and firm and chewy. Flavor is really good here too. This looks like some sort of pickled vegetable. And then tofu bean curd. Yep, so this is nice and firm. Soy sauce, braised. How about this egg? Good old-fashioned stewed egg. I think between these two, I like the pork chop better. The only thing I would say is missing is some hot sauce. So when you're having these bento boxes, you might want to carry around your own jar of hot sauce or keep it in your office. But otherwise, $110 to $150 NT. Get a nice packaged bento. Every weekday at lunch, I think they fill up the machines, but they sell until they run out. So, might have to get there early. Pork chop's the winner for me. Oh yeah, that's good. So for this 101 area, Shenyang District, pretty good deal. Probably cheaper than the basement food court, but in other areas of Taipei, you could visit a bento shop and you could probably get a really good bento box for around 80 or 100 NT dollars. Thanks for watching today's video, Mike's Report, Taiwan, Taipei 101 building food bento box vending machines. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, feel free to share it, and subscribe to my channel, click on that bell, and also follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.